बच्चों, आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ABCD। A for apple। B for ball। C for cow। D for duck। E for egg। F for fan। G for gun। H for hat। I for igloo। J for jug। K for king। L for leg। M for mug। N for nut। O for owl। P for pen। Q for queen। R for rat। S for sun। T for toy। U for umbrella। V for van। W for watch। X for X-ray। Y for yak। Z for zebra।